Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the durations of songs you edit on the Instagram story. So here I've already opened the Instagram and I'm going to just start by clicking on the plus and I'm going to select a photo first. Okay, so here I'm going to select this as the background and I'm going to add the music first. So click on the music icon at the top, then find the music that you want to add. For example, here I'm going to select this songs right here, and to change the durations, for example you want to make it longer, you can just click on this circle. So the current duration is 15 seconds. Click on this circle and you can change it into however you like. So let's try other songs. For example, this one here, you can select it and adjust it in here. I don't know why I cannot make it longer, but this is how you can do it. For example, I'm going to just set it into only 10 seconds. Click on done and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.